This is my BMW X3 M40i. I haven't made a video in so long, I forgot how to talk to the camera. I forgot how to do everything. Without saying too much, I finally have the downpipe on the car now. Yeah, there's legit a squirrel right here. He won't stop tweaking. But I have the downpipe on the car. I'm gonna just let y'all hear how the downpipe sound since I got it on the car. I know I haven't posted in so long. To be honest, I really just haven't picked the camera up and recorded anything, bro. I took this car to Jersey and back, and I took it to Delaware. And my boy D slapped the downpipe on for me. But this shit sound amazing now. It sound crazy. It's not really much to say because I haven't really done much to the car. I haven't had my lights on this whole time. I haven't really done anything else to the car but slap the downpipe on. I did an oil change like last week, and so now we can finally tune the car if we wanted to. And we can slap the XHP on there. I'm gonna just put a mic on the exhaust and let Sydney rev the car for me so y'all can hear how the car sound. I'm telling you, it sound amazing. I know y'all boys been missing me, man.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Now that I can finally tune the car, y'all should expect a lot of POVs, man. Now I have the TU pump and the downpipe in the car, so I could go stage 2. I probably wanna go stage 2, but I didn't put a charge pipe on here yet. So I wanna be safe and probably go stage 1, but who knows? But yeah, I haven't really done much. I just did the headlights, I still got the lip. But the only thing I did, I just put my other valve on. So now I could fully control it with just this little remote right here. With this little remote right here, I could control the exhaust. I've been around here the whole winter time with the car. It had all the bolts from the exhaust. Just, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Y'all should have just seen it for yourselves. So my camera just died. We on the Osmo with it. I miss recording on the Osmo. I miss how close you could get and it's stabilized. But without talking too much, I'm about to go on a little POV drive right now. But I don't know if I want to hook the mics up to the exhaust and the intake, or I don't know if I want to just let y'all hear the raw sounds.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know, man. Please tell me I turned this light off so I don't kill my battery. Look at that face. That shit look crazy. Oh my God. Yo, I be sleeping on this Osmo camera. I don't know what else I could do different to this car. The only thing that is left is put the springs on and get some spacers. I'm not rushing to get wheels yet, but in the future sometime. So we inside with it. Feel what I'm saying? About to take y'all boys for a little ride.
What?
Pause. And if y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. And if you've been here for a minute, I know we've been gone for a minute, man. There's gonna be some nice vlogs, and it's getting nicer out. It's warm out. It's more car meets. People starting to post more car meets and shit, so. Let's listen to that shit. There's a little rattle. I think the exhaust is sitting on a metal under here. I gotta fix that shit. That shit happened to my 340 too, bro. It's the aftermarket exhaust. They don't really fit exactly how they should, but.
Is it time to share the thoughts that's in the back of my mind? Stop my words with no direction, I don't know what I'ma find. Gotta take it step by step cause I'm on military time. I'm 1-2 step into the fucking finish line. What's mine is yours is a lie, cause what's yours is never mine. Yeah, I'm the one who taught all these niggas how to rhyme. If you don't know who to call, just put Keon on